Asian stocks up as bets on aggressive Fed interest rate hike recede. Asia Pacific shares had been frequently up on Monday morning as investors' expectancies of competitive interest price hikes from the U.S. Federal Reserve receded. The Japanese market is closed for a vacation. South Korea's Kospi won 1.46% by 10:51 p.m. Eastern Time 0251 GMT. In Australia, the ASX 200 jumped 0.56%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index become up 1.49%. China's Shanghai Composite turned into up 1.07% at the same time as the Shenzhen Component changed into down 0.52%. Rising COVID-19 cases, lockdowns, and woes in property sector remain headwinds for China's economic healing. Central Bank Governor Yi Gang mentioned the financial authority will step up the implementation of prudent monetary coverage. The equities had been also boosted by statistics showing that U.S. center retail sales rose 1% month-on-month in June. The greenback dropped from a record excessive as bets on competitive Federal Reserve interest rate hikes receded. Investors endured to evaluate the impact of red-hot inflation and the potential for a U.S. recession. At the identical time, fairness valuations are becoming less expensive. This softening of inflation expectations is one cause why we expect the FOMC will now not accelerate the near-term hiking tempo and will deliver a 75 BP hike at the July FOMC assembly, Goldman Sachs analysts mentioned in a Be Aware. While shares are pricing in a recession, there are signs that is a market that wants to begin bottom fishing, Lori Calvasina, head of U.S. equity strategy at RBC Capital Markets, mentioned on television. People are beginning to search for matters which have been de-risked, she mentioned, adding U.S. small caps are frequently cited for example.